My love, it's not a mistake that today is our birthday. Yes, God has a way of doing things. And I promise you that I will love, cherish and adore you for the rest of my life.
Oh. My own. This woman right here is going to cherish you. I will love you till I take my last breath.
Wow.
You complete me.
I love you more. Come here. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, before we feast on this, what of Jacinta now?
I thought not to bother since I wouldn't be going back home. And your friend?
Also?
Yes, I thought he was supposed to be here. Oh, okay.
Also, here. You will snap me with the cake. I will snap you with the cake. Then we'll do selfie before we feast on this cake.
Okay.
It's our birthday. Snap now. Okay. Oh. Is the camera not working?
Who sent you this message?
Happy birthday, my love. I wish you heaven's blessings. My best rider.
Who sent you this message?
My love, listen, my sunshine. It's not what you think.
You don't even know what I think. Who sent you this message?
I can explain.
You can explain what? You can explain what? Cheater! On our day, somebody sending message. You best. You are a fool! I hate you! Baby. Baby, I'm sorry now. I came to apologize. I'm really sorry. Please just calm down for me. I know I overreacted yesterday and messed up everything. I'm sorry, please.
Learn to be coming down. On a serious note, learn to be coming down. You spoiled our day. Small you don't overreact. Do you know how much I bought that cake?
I'm sorry. Next year I'll buy a bigger one.
Don't try it next time.
I won't, promise.
Oh, Allah, forgiving you.
Thank you.
But you have to pay for it now.
Pay for?
Nothing goes for nothing.
Very bad for you.
Yeah. Nothing goes for nothing.
told you right there. Kelia. Yababa. Kina miali na miali kalotomi. Mama, good morning. Look at you. Who did you tell that you were going to sleep outside yesterday?
Mama, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It just happened.
You're sorry. You didn't mean to.
Please
Let me
don't
tell
be
you
like
something.
this.
The fact that I allowed that relationship with that boy does not mean that he has paid your bride price. Because if you
Yes, Mama.
so you need to see now decorate to his bed. Be sure of what you're doing.
Of course, Mama, I know. Mama, I know we're not married yet, but Mama, we're really serious and Mama, I love him.
You're really serious and you love him. When we'll know if it is real love or the fake one is when he does what he's supposed to do. Nanny, will you get out of here and go and dress up? Go and get dressed. Nanu take you where you be working. Why na want madam Ambolia? Why am Ambolia? If I want to go. Hi, hello Melo. Of course you. My sister is in love.
Hey, so tell me, how did it go yesterday? My dear, splendid. It was the best night of my life. Oh, David is everything I want in a man.
Hey, sister. So this is how you spent your birthday with that man, eh?
My dear, where do you expect me to be on my birthday? I have to be with him now, with my man.
Anyway, I am happy you enjoyed yourself.
Yes, I do. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, so. Let's go. I wonder what he smoked. Dreaming he'll be fighting David. He thinks I'm for everybody.
My sister, I heard he is a cultist and one time armed robber.
That was why he ended in the village as a loafer. Sister, forget about that one. Sister, how about the interview? Have they called you?
I have not heard from them. They are supposed to send me the time, date and venue. But I have not heard from them.
Don't worry, they will call you and you will get the job and I'll follow you to the city once you get it.
My sister, I can't wait to get the job so that I'll leave this village.
You will get it by the grace of God. So that I will leave this village shop for Mama and go to the city.
You go to the city with who, me? You're not going nowhere. Yeah? You'll be staying here to take care of Mama. Even if I get the job, I am going alone. Maybe you will join me later, but not immediately. Yeah? You have to take care of Mama.
I am going with you. Don't you know Mama is very strong? She can take care of herself. Don't worry. Mama is strong. I'll join you. As you're going,
You're not going anywhere, Pico. You will stay here and take care of our mother, our precious Mama.
Oh goodness. I'm even getting tired, so I have to go and sleep.
Oh, so that you go and meet your David. You see that Ukodra you people used to meet? Go and sleep, my sister, so that you dream and go and meet him there. Love again.
Oh goodness me.
Love again.
I don't want to be.
Go and sleep, my sister, don't marry me. Go and sleep.
Hopefully sleep with you, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Bueno wanja wala kata wanja wa. Bueno wanja wala kata wanja wa. When I wax my record, oh yeah, babe. Kwenu wanja wala kata. Hey, wanja wala. Hey.
Oh no, go again.
Oh, go see Aran.
Oh no, go again.
Kwenu wanja
If they know how well you used to sing back in the day. It's not no. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, my father said go never
okay, need more opportunity to the younger
ones.
Yes.
Oh, farmer is in charge. You empowerment.
Yes, I hand on the kita.
Eh, kama kandi you too, okay?
Hania, oh my God.
Mbamba, they went to the shop, yes. To take care of the shop.
Very hardworking girl.
I know.
Very hardworking girl. And that's why I don't joke with her.
I know.
I like her a lot. Not only me, all the other young girls in this community. They look at her as a role model.
Hey, oh my God.
They see her as a role model. Yes, which is why it's not also good when you begin to hear some small things. You know, it's not very okay like that.
I don't understand. What did you hear about my daughter?
I thought as much. There's no the way I know you, how strict you are. There's no way you will hear a thing like that and you will support it. I thought as much. I thought as much.
Chili. Stop talking. Just go straight to the point. Or what happened?
Well, I was not there, you know, but from what I heard.
You heard?
They said the way it was bad, the scene was horrible. They said the way she was fighting. Keda had this village rascal. This boy
also funny no Babylon.
Babylon. As now na kedi only one na so. Now no Babylon na street, na road, everybody back on. Na do man akwa name. It's bad. And the one that pained me the most in my heart is that this boy kedi man here David you always see them around everywhere. You know. Now he was there. Instead of him to calm her down, see her pretty girl. He was pushing her, encouraging her to fight on the road. A woman.
So what was the cause of the problem, the fight?
I didn't ask, you know. But they still told me that.
And you heard it?
It's not, yes, my sister, it's not anything serious. I said, but no. Our children with the kind of relationships they like to keep, all those irrelevant, irresponsible relationships. No, they have not even paid by price everywhere. You see, it's not good. It's not with a woman like you with high reputation. It's not. It's not very okay. It's not
problem. Okay. I will talk to her when she comes back. I'm inquire.
Please do.
Know what
do, my sister, because it's disgraceful for us. For decent women like us, like you and my sister. They will not be saying, she didn't train her well. It's not good. It's bad.
It is very bad.
It's bad.
So wondering.
No, it's okay.
Oh, this is what brought you out to tell me this.
No, my sister, you know how we are. You know how we are.
Yes.
So apart from this is the major reason why I came.
Okay.
It's the major reason why I came. But on my way coming, I now decided that I should just, you know, I just asked. You have small money that you're not making use of now, so you can just lend me end of before August meeting I go.
Because when you were this particular year, upon your side, I would have heard what you said. This year, I don't know say for it's
small.
Each alone. On your kids, you want me to lend you money? On your kid, I check a okay, to lend you money. Hey.
But before, I'm expecting some money.
Some
like
money.
Before the August meeting is over, I'll bring it back for you.
Beautiful.
I'll bring it back.
See, would you be church on? If I had that money, I can make it. My name, when you don't have money, you'll be church at daddy. So I don't have the money to give to you. And besides, I would have called 1 or 2 people around, but all of them said that you're owing them.
Me?
Yes.
Owe them where?
Well, you must be owing them for them to be saying so.
These village people.
I know.
These village people.
I know
the
them.
way they tarnish people's image.
I know that once you owe them, they will tell everybody. Even if you remember, last year, same August, this time last year, 1 year now, I lent you my wrapper. It's your wedding. To date, you have not returned it.
Wrapper.
Manobros, you're going to go.
Oh, the wrapper, the red one.
You remember it?
Nkechi the rapper.
But Chitaria, because all
What is wrong with this girl?
She I don't need for you for that.
Umazi, I think I'm na problem.
What problem?
Nkechi did not return this rapper.
Is it not the photo that they posted now? WhatsApp group?
Name we guys no wait to come wait to go rap. You know I have plenty rappers.
I know.
Oh,
don't worry. Don't worry. Something that belongs to somebody else is always unique. But you can keep it now since I can't give you cash.
No, my sister. Let me come.
Because run and go and tell them to iron it. If you want to sell it, you can now sell it and keep it.
Nkechi, this girl, I have to come now run a yard.
Okay. By the way, so Nkechi, do they have boyfriends now?
Oh, no. I don't encourage that kind of thing in my family. The way I bring them up,
yes,
I want it to be that when they are ready to marry, they just take them and
take them straight from Cardamom Hotel.
Don't worry, Nkechi, because this thing is bad.
It is very bad. Oh, by the way, Anom na Nkechi was the room na Cardamom Hotel. You just check him if we are the or not in a train. I said, Bob and I hear. I want to give a Janya. Nonsense. I can't go beans. Can't you be such an anus? Hi. One more.
Give me change now.
Change how? I have to collect the 100 naira of yesterday.
No. I have that 100. I want to use that 100 naira to do something. Give me change.
I'm keeping quiet because you are a regular customer.
I will bring 100 naira for you.
Please try and bring it too. I don't like somebody owing me.
I'm not going to go themselves. I'm not going to
take your change. Please try and bring it tomorrow, yeah? Pico.
Thank you.
100 naira is very important.
No, I will bring 100 naira for
you.
Okay,
bye. Thank you. Bring it oh. Bring my 100 naira. I don't want stove. Biko. Chioma. Again. What are you thinking again? Don't tell me you're straight to think about David again.
Sister, I missed him now. I missed him a lot. I've not seen him for a while now. I think I have to go and see him now.
Eh? What if Mama strolls to the shop? What will I tell her?
And now, I trust you. I'm sure you know what to tell me. Stop pretending you will find something to tell me.
And I don't know anything.
Stop this now. Anyway, I'm not even begging you. You must find something to tell Mama.
It's okay.
Let me see. I need to pick some things for him. I'm not taking something for him.
You want to pick what?
I need to pick few things for him. I'm not taking something for him.
Don't worry. Customer. Sit down, let me attend to you. You want to pick something? What do you want?
Oh, no, I hear people have it.
What do you want? Give me my money. Sola. Oh, give me.
I don't know
what is it?
That fool, baby lion, Babylon, what they call him. He dropped a note in front of David's house. He said, I go fuck you up. I don't understand what that means.
Why now? Is that guy not tired? Why is it still disturbing you?
I don't know. I wonder for that guy.
Chioma, did you promise to date him or what?
God forbid. That useless man. Never. I can't. I did not. I even told him I'm in a relationship with David. Yet he won't let me be.
Because I'm getting worried though. This disturbance is getting out of hand.
No.
Eh? What is all this?
I don't know. We just have to be careful. If you're in the shop, just open your eyes. Be vigilant. Because I don't trust that guy one bit.
You have a point, my sister. This one, I heard that Sparkle, I be waiting, and I name Abi.
Yes.
That Sparkle has joined him. So, what did David say about all this?
He was not around when I went. I tried calling him. His number was not connecting. But I have to go back and wait for him until he returns.
Go back where? But you're just coming back from his house.
He needs to be aware. I want to go there and wait for him till he comes back. I need to tell him.
No, Choma, everywhere is not good though. Of all this thing that is happening, no, you're not going anywhere.
I will take care of myself. Don't worry.
Choma, be careful.
I will.
Be careful.
I will.
Ha.
When she came here to tell me that you were fighting a man. I thought she came to gossip. It's a mass like Obi. I'm amazed you.
But Mama, it did not happen exactly like that.
So how did it happen?
Mama, isn't not that madman they call Baby Lion, Babylon, or whatever is his name? He was harassing me and Jacinta.
So you had to fight him?
No, Mama. He was the one that dragged us first. David pounced on him and Chioma just gave him a few slaps.
Chioma just gave him, as the elder sister. Why didn't you run home to report? So that I can send your uncle to handle the matter. Not like join another fight. Both of you have become the tigers, okay?
Mama, we're sorry. It will not happen again.
It had better not happen again. Because I don't understand it. If you have started acting like that boy that you're dating. Yes! Do you think you're a man? You're a woman. Never do you know be. It's a bolom. Act like a woman that would someday get married.
Mama, we are sorry. After all, it wasn't my sister's fault or David.
No film. One more film from your mouth. It wasn't this person's fault. Okay. I know your plans. But you people want to embarrass me in a village up here. So that when I go for August meeting, they'll be gossiping about me. You want to tarnish my image. See them Europe? Huh? What they make him to feel like a fool? You cannot turn me into a fool. Oh no, I'll be the fools. Everyone fools are not foolish. Nonsense. Fool, both of you. One of them.
You see, for this town, I go fuck you up. Hi. This one don't buy market. See, Bobby, your entire family is in trouble. Your whole is crazy akwana. I mean they threaten. Buy yawa. My bar, even when I go to go collect, even when your neighbors, everybody they in trouble. You dey crazy, they never born you well. I'm not fair.
Baby, please calm down.
No, don't baby me. Don't tell me to calm down. Someone just threatened me.
Baby.
Someone threatened me for this background. How can I? Was it they bring that one? You know the hear news. Even if you no get fear, you're supposed to get respect. How can I go to threaten me?
Baby,
starting when?
This guy cannot even stand you. He's just a rascal. Just calm down.
I go tell and say that we the coordinate rascals. You see rascals? Now we be their chairman. See, this guy don't put him family for trouble. Mapa. I'm going to marry people. How can I go to threaten me? Why didn't they bring that one now?
My love, no, now you will give people topic. They will start talking about us, please.
Which one is people? I come nega. I don't send waiting people they talk. Now then they feed me. No. That one the old story. I beg. You see this guy like this. If I don't deal with them, another person will come try and insult me. See, I go use this one as an example. So that if you ask questions, you what do the last person. You don't go even near me. That's the scenario. Nobody say we not forgive. But this guy now, I swear, even if family members they in trouble.
Baby, please, now just take it easy. Calm down, Biko.
I think I'll go marry for the black woman. Say, well, can't go. Okay, no problem. I fed you.
How did the interview go?
On my level now, the interview went well. I hope it doesn't end like the rest.
Come on, don't say that. Just be optimistic. Oh yeah, the chama, oh.
I pray.
Just calm down. Say why? Take it easy. I will be right back. Let's.
Meanwhile, I saw the provisions you got for me. Nice one.
Oh,
I forgot to appreciate you.
It's nothing actually.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
But you see this guy, see.
Wait
first. No worry. Bobby, you and your entire family, all of now, you people are in danger. Your entire generation, all of now, there is problem in your generation. How can I go threaten me? I'll go to name that thing. No, see, Oga, you don't price and you must collect. No, don't baby me.
It's me now. Just calm down.
No problem, he's safe.
Okay, let's just get ourselves busy. I will be right back.
See, leave this pepper, we will not get problem.
I'll be right back.
Voila.
Sit well. I'm going to win.
No be mouth game.
You will see now. Pick 2. Another 2.
You thief am abi na what? No problem.
Another 2.
How many do you can get? Huh?
Relax, not speaking 2 now.
Davido na chioma.
Hey, what's up?
Alpha.
Hey, my man.
I do.
Another 2, another 2.
Chioma, don't tell me you're dealing with my friend though.
You can see it from his face now. Another 1.
How many big do you can get now?
Play now. Take your 2. Pick your 2. What's up? Kim. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Who's gonna win?
Izolokwe.
This is
So how come? How many picks do you? How can I go? Now you get the whole pick too.
Hey!
I told you.
This is what they call total annihilation. Ibu go ya.
You cheated, Joe. I'm not a baby. You cheated.
Look at this one. You think I'm a cheat like you?
Did you just call me a cheat because we're playing what? No, starting when?
I don't understand. Why are you getting angry?
No. The words make you lose your sense of respect. Which one do you think you are a cheat like me?
Calm down. Why is your blood rising?
No. Why won't I rise? Must you insult me?
Bia, please. You see the way you're seeing me now? I don't have strength to separate anybody.
My friend, will you shut up?
I'm telling you.
Start of this.
Ozugo.
Start of this.
I don't know why both of you are rising.
Start
both
of
of you
this.
should sit down and continue the game.
Start of this.
I've told you now.
Sit down and let's play the game. Stop
No,
crying.
wait, don't tell me to sit down. You just insulted me because we're playing what? Stop. Are you mad? Are you mad? Like, are you crazy? Because you play what now, you don't get respect again.
You're the one that is mad and you're very stupid for opening that. You're very stupid.
Davido's gonna have.
What's wrong with you, sir?
Yeah, Davido.
It's just a game now. What's your problem?
You want this girl, no?
I don't know. It's just a game.
Every time both of you are getting it.
David, stop!
Davido.
Anyone?
Take it easy now. Is it your money?
Take. Take. Ding no. Take. Do your tour. Play it. Play it too.
This is how I found it. Exactly how I found it. Chioma na-achi lapụta ma ọkpa mbalezi. She wants to put me into trouble.
How are we sure that it is the boy you mentioned wrote this letter?
Oh, the boy now. Nnekwe say something. Answer. Is it the boy or not?
Uncle, I think he's the one. Because a similar note was dropped at David's house. And it happened after the incident on our way back from the market that same day.
Well, I will invite that boy here. Eh? He has a lot of things to explain to me. After his explanation, I will know the next step to take. As for you, Chioma, I think the relationship you have with David is not yielding fruit. So you better think on how to stop that relationship.
You know, the most painful thing is that that boy is a school dropout.
Eh?
I'm telling you. That's why he's a tout.
Mama, it's because he's an orphan and nobody to support him.
Okay, so don't have a supporters club. Nobody to support him. So you're now his life support.
Well, enough.
So what do you
Enough.
see?
Like I said, I will look into this. Eh? By the time I am through, he will explain to me what he meant by writing this letter. Okay. Eh? As for you, Chioma, leave David for David to leave you. And I never know. Leave David for David to leave you. Okay.
Sister, welcome. Thank you. How are you? I'm okay. So, what did Uncle Dennis say?
He said he's going to send for him to explain himself.
That's better. And you have to inform David so that he will be careful as well.
No, he's going to react over it. You want Mama to finish me with insults?
But it's just for him to be careful, that's all. Hey, Choma, with the story I've heard about Babylon, the story is very scary. And my sister, do you know that I caught him at the shop the other day, staring at me with a very mean face?
And you're just telling me now? What did he say?
Nothing. He just zoomed off immediately I saw him.
Anyways, whatever the case is,
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I want to buy salt.
Salt?
Yes.
Okay. How many?
One.
Okay.
Thank you.
Choma. Choma, what happened to you?
is
you know that stupid bastard? Because he's a man, he feel he can treat me anyhow. But never. I'm an independent woman. He cannot treat me anyhow.
Eh? What did David do this time again?
I am done. I am done with him this time around. Eh? Can you imagine he's fooling around this village with one girl at the bar?
Why would David do this kind of a thing? Why?
He thinks he can eat his cake and have it. Never. Not at all.
To the extent he's slapping you again, once again. Eh?
Not me, oh. Not me. I'm not the kind of girl he will mess around with. Mba, it's not going to happen.
It's okay. Let me pack up so that we'll go home and I will attend to you. Eh? Okay, here. Look at your face.
I'll be fine. Because I'm a woman. It's not possible. Don't take it easy now, please. Sorry. Oh, I can't believe this. Sorry. David is an ingrate. David is a useless betrayer.
Chioma, to be honest with you, you have to end this relationship now. Eh? It's becoming bloody. You have to end it.
Ha! David dared to fight me because of a girl.
It's okay. It's okay.
Take it easy, please.
It's okay. Sorry.
Hey.
Last life. Mama, welcome.
Huh? Mama!
Who did this to you? Who did this to you?
Mama, it's nothing. I've taken care of it.
You've taken care of what? Who did this thing to you? I will not ask again. Mama, she had a fight with David again.
David did this to you?
So, Mama, it's not like that.
Mama,
what is it?
Mama,
you see what it cost? Mama, where? She's about to lose it. Mama, where?
That stupid boy should have come out. Opa David, on Capital, let me show him something. Nonsense. What right does he have to be beating you up like this? Man, it's all your fault. Because if you had listened to your mother, we will not be here fighting anybody. Oh, Nani.
Is there any problem?
Nani, there's a big problem. Oh. There is a big problem. Oh, this is my daughter. Look at what David did to her.
What?
David wants to finish my daughter. Eh?
You mean?
Nani, I went to his house. Unfortunately, I did not meet him. Because if a man came, David, only God knows.
Oh, he is not in his house.
He is not in his house. I don't tell him. It will not work for you. It won't work.
Well, it is okay. There's no need to go to Igwe.
Oh, did I tell you I'm going exactly where I'm going?
Oh, no.
Of course, you know it's the way to his house.
I know. So don't go to Igwe. I will handle this matter myself. We just finished having a meeting with Igwe, so by now he's exhausted. But forget. Trust me, I will handle David. Okwa David.
Nani, are you trying to tell me you're going to his house now to attack him?
Go back to the house. Go back to the house.
Why you go where?
I am going to see David. That's
the wrong way.
I said
this way.
I know. I said I am going to see him.
Mami,
just
okay,
go home quietly.
Osim, let's go home.
It's all right.
Shut up. Eh?
Ozuko, Naba, Bieba. Stay here.
I'm off here.
Have I not warned you
Nonsense.
of that idiot?
Uncle, I'm sorry. It's not going to happen again.
Mama, it's okay.
It's not going to happen again. You have to be very careful before you give this woman high BP. You have to be very careful because a man who throws a fist on a woman is very weak. He is in danger. Come to David. Brother, let me go back to Igwe somehow, and then I'll go and see David. Let me go to Igwe somehow. I'll go and see David. Makam, I said I make report. Makam, David. Hey, Anna, let me sneak somehow.
When you prefer MS now, when we pick me, eh?
We'll not get.
Sister,
There's quick milk here. We have quick milk. How much on the sister? We have quick milk. Look at it there. How much one do you want?
Fine girl. Fine
How many
girl.
do you want? There's quick milk.
Only just one.
Just one. $200. Look at you.
Makovado, fine girl. Some
Rose, they go.
Bro, mentelo.
Let's speak with my sister. Which one is?
I'm scared though. I wonder what this guy wants from us.
Whatever you want, eh? If you want trouble, I am ready. I'll give it back to him. Stop being afraid of him now. If I can handle David, who is this one? Stop being afraid because if you want one inside, then speak with me. Okay, for the yourself. See, I'm not afraid of him, yo.
See, I know people get angry with their spouses, but you oppress yours too much and allow it to turn to rage. David, you need to start controlling your anger.
I should start controlling my anger. That means I should tolerate whatever my girlfriend does. That's what you're saying. Mba, mame. If my girlfriend misbehaves, I will beat her to order. Simple. I will correct her with beating.
And that's domestic violence.
Oh.
And you know it's not right at any level.
Domestic violence. Were you not there when she slapped me in public? What do we call that one? Wild violence.
Of course I was there. And it's also domestic violence. See what I'm saying? I'm just saying that you people should apply love and clarity. And come to think of it, both of you are Leo, according to your zodiac sign. If you are not dey careful, one person go hurt each other, one person would become a victim.
My brother, I will not become a vegetable because I'm in love. Mame. I will not become a weakling because I'm in love with chioma. Mba.
Nobody is saying that you're a weakling. Knowing what is right doesn't make you a weak person. You need to understand this and go make peace with your woman.
Let me come. Are you in any way saying I should go and beg chioma?
Is there anything wrong with that?
Nanya, it will never, ever, never, 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 ever, ever, never, never, ever, ever again. Like lie to lie. It will never, ever, ever happen. I will not. Why will I beg her? Yeah? See, God created Adam before Eve. You get why? Not be Eve before Adam. She must be submissive. She must shut up when I'm angry. Now, Captain now down on his shoulder. Who does that? Some domestic violence. Don't let the English confuse you. She slaps me, you call it the blah blah blah. Now I slap her, you say domestic violence. What's your problem?
My name is Henry now pride. You know it's pride, Abby?
Call it whatever. I will never, ever, 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 never, never, never beg chioma. Come everybody now be.
Okay.
Nonsense. Naba. No atom of respect. Fear zero. Neku. Who does that? Shut up and keep quiet. You're a woman. Even when I'm wrong, shut up, man. Later when I'm coming, come and explain yourself. I'm talking, you're talking. Who is the man here? See, get out of this place. You're very stupid, sir. You're very, very stupid. English, they confuse you. A woman slaps me, you call it, I slap him back, you say domestic violence.
You will still call me to tell me you are missing her. You are ranting now. I'm in
love, fine, but I will never become a vegetable.
You will come to my house to tell me to beg her for you.
Yeah, you.
By then, your eyes will clear.
See, change topic, maybe we will not get problem.
Forgive who? That is the last thing on my mind now.
But at least it's still in your mind.
Believe me, I'm done with him. And there's nothing that will make me go back to him.
Chioma, I know you. Eh? But I want you to know that I am with you, no matter what. It's just that I truly want you to shed off this pain and anger in your heart. So that you will truly move on.
The only anger and pain in my heart now is all the energy I wasted believing he truly loves me. Eh? Believe me, I've moved on. I've moved on.
I hope so. I hope so, my sister. Because the way you say his name every now and then says otherwise. Chioma, come out of this mood. Ozugo. You know Yankuru?
Trust me, I'm fine. I'm fine.
I hope so.
I'm fine.
See, Chioma, it's obvious you both are just avoiding each other. Deep down, Nimo Bigi, Obuni check your former. You know you have not moved on.
You don't know anything. So if I were your sister, you would advise me to go back to a man that hits a woman? Or go back to a man who is so proud to apologize?
Oh, the problem is who is going to apologize first. See, I wouldn't be here if I don't know how both of you feel about each other. Of course, David should never hit a woman. You know I will never be in support of that. But beyond that, the common problem is anger management. Yes. I wish both of you can actually do without each other, but you know that is far from the truth.
If that be the case, also, why are you not telling this sermon to your friend? Why am I the one listening to it?
Because it takes two to tango. One must take the first step.
Enough of this you're preaching. Please take this sermon to your friend. As you can see, I have moved on. And I am fine. I don't need David or any man to be fine.
Ngwanu, I just came to talk with you. I'll see you around. Oh?
Okay, bye.
I have one.
What do you mean?
Ngwanu.
Sister, what happened here? I don't understand you. What are you even trying to say? I should get back with a man that hits a woman.
He to love me, oh. Hit a woman. Or your fight mate. Come on, Chioma. You and I know that David does not hit you. You guys fight each other. Eh? From what I heard, they told me that you were the first person to slap him. Yes, they told me. My sister, this is one of those things that happen in relationships. Yotara, so go and make up with him. If he refuses to come and apologize, find him, go and apologize to him so that peace will reign. Yes, I know you still love him. Go and make up with him. Okay, you are waiting for who will push you. I have pushed you. Also, already pushed you as well. Go and make up. Stop squeezing face, Biko. Go and make peace. I want to buy it on me. Oh, Nemo. Didn't you hear her? Go and sell market. On our momo. Eh? If people are bored, you start beating each other. Because sell market.
David. Manum. How far? I went to the bar and I was told you've left.
I did. I know see you. I said, I move now.
In less than how many minutes is it?
We did cut. Later now, we'll go see now.
What did happen? It looks like you have a visitor.
Also, what did they bring the interview now? I said later now.
I should go. Later.
So later now. Stop this joke.
Let's go inside now.
Let's go inside how? I never home. Okay, go now. I beg, can you just go? See you later, Biko. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Every time, man and man, they see.
David, you're chasing me.
busy body. I even bought this door.
Chi, please, I want to see you. Please, it's okay.
Chioma, don't mind that guy. Don't even give him the audience to insult you.
He said it's urgent. Don't worry. I won't even stand a minute longer if he has nothing meaningful to say.
Hey.
What is it?
My beautiful angel. Some one gem on. No be cray, you find that. You find that. Sweetheart, I know you guys be having bad impression about me. But the truth is that I'm just a normal guy with a pure heart.
Go straight to the point.
I know what I'm about telling you now, you're not going to believe me. Your so-called boyfriend is in his house with a girl right now that speaks to you. I know you'll be wondering how I got to know. The girl in question used to be my girlfriend. I mean, my ex.
So?
What do you mean, so?
Whether David is with a girl in his house right now, as we speak, it does not concern me. He doesn't put food on my table either. So if this is the urgent message you came to tell me, please take it elsewhere.
Baby, see, no be mentally at all. No be shoot them on my fly. See, we are adults here, you know. I can be your friend. I can be your pet tomorrow. I can go extra 9 miles for you. What I just want from you, just understanding, please.
We are done here.
Are you sick? You have not even touched your food.
I'm feeling dizzy. I don't even have appetite to eat the food.
And it started this morning?
Not really, it's been off and on, but it became very serious this morning.
Hey. Then let's go to the health center. Eh?
Let me just watch myself today. If it continues, then moreover, I don't want to get Mama worried.
Mama has gone to the farm. She left early in the morning. So that means you're not going to the shop with me?
Please go and take care of the shop. When I feel much better, I'll join you.
Chi, you know I won't be okay leaving you here all alone. Eh?
But we can't leave the shop under lock and key. Somebody needs to go and attend to it. Please just go. I promise it's nothing serious. I'll be fine.
Chi, are you sure? Please be fine, no. Anyone named? Sorry. Sorry, yeah?
I wish I can reverse what I did yesterday. I forehand. I for my own hand.
You were drunk and high. Now you are feeling sober. I mean, that's the feeling after the whole act. But, did you actually sleep with her?
Why I couldn't feel bad if I know wrong? What time here now? The anger got me heartbroken. So I decided to drink away my sorrows.
That's the point. Instead of confronting your problem, you want to drink and forget them. You need to understand that confronting your problem makes you a real man. It doesn't change who you are. It doesn't make you less of a man.
I'm going to meet a name. No, if a name come amaro.
You may go now.
Mama, I didn't know you were back.
I am back, oh.
I didn't even know when you left in the morning.
Hey, man, a farm work is an early morning chores. You need to go and finish up before the sun comes out.
Yeah, it's welcome.
What happened? You didn't go to your shop today?
No, Mama, I was feeling a little dizzy this morning, but I'm fine now.
Dizzy, what? If you continue feeling that way, then later you go to the health center. Oh?
Okay, Mama, I will. I was about going to join Jacinta at the shop.
Oh, I see. But have you eaten?
Yes, Mama, I've eaten. And your food is in the kitchen, and beside the food flask.
Okay. Dalu. Is one. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
When you get there, take a lot of pure water. It will help you. You know, go?
Please, I don't want to stress this morning. Please.
See, baby, I swear, before God, I'm not here to give you trouble. I don't know why you always see me as troublesome type anytime you see me around. I'm not what you think. Believe me, you do me good. Anytime I come around you, I see you, I greet you, you respond to my greeting, at least we exchange talk, then I'm okay with that.
Okay, the problem is you greet me, I greet you.
I think that will be fine.
Okay, Babylon, I greet you.
Hey. Let me just wash the plane and clean it.
What is it, Babylon?
Sweetheart, I must tell you, I'm happy to hear this response from you. You said, okay, where are you going to now without your sister from you?
She's already at the shop. I'm going there to meet her.
Wow, like seriously. There's something I really want to discuss with you, but I don't want to hold you here. I want us to walk while we talk. What do you think?
Let us discuss it here, but I hope it's not about asking me out or about David.
God forbid, not at all.
Okay.
I promise, it's not at all, it's just about me. You know, everybody in this community see me as a bad person. You guys, everywhere I go to, they see me as a bad person. I want to become a changed person. I think I want to be a responsible person for the society and for the community as a whole.
Well, it's not their fault as the way they see you. You are known for your notorious character. So don't blame them, it's not their fault.
My beauty, my queen, awesome. Can you break it down? Can you break down the English for me?
Sure. You just have to start by being a responsible person. That's all.
Mother Teresa, you're advising him.
Google my name, I know they see your face soon. I tell you, Google Natipont General worldwide.
My sunshine, please, I want to talk to you in private. We need to talk.
I don't have anything to talk with you.
He choke. You hear am? She doesn't want to talk to you. I beg, shift. I did catch for your own condy.
I understand that we're having problems, fine and good. But must you ridicule yourself by chilling with a riffraff?
You don't want to use this thing that sound you. The mad. You don't get fear. Don't go that name, oh. Tikbon General worldwide. I'll put that for you, but you don't go like him.
It's okay. David, please. I don't want you uttering such nonsense. You call him a riffraff. Meanwhile, he's better than all the riffraffs you've been sleeping with.
Yeah,
You think I'm like you?
Woohoo!
Shameless dog. Please, let's continue what we're talking
Fine
about.
girl. Mugu.
I understand that we are quarreling, fine and good. Must you be walking around with a smelling cattle? Okay, that thing don't smell you now. Is he not smelling? Look at this. Bia, look at your hair.
I'm very sure it was, what's his name? Babylon that told her about yesterday.
Wait, oh. Is she now seeing Babylon or what? What's in the soap?
For what now? How? Chioma that I know. It's not possible now. When I feel they get problem, but the last thing we Chioma feel do, not to stoop so low to candidate Babylon for waiting now.
So what were they doing together?
That one not too important. What is the important now for you to figure out how you want to get your woman back? That's the most important thing.
See, that boy go die, yo. What did they do around my girl? Even if me and my girl they quarrel, avoid them, baba. What did they, you don't get respect, you don't get fear. Okay, one go the chop until the chop, I be waiting. That's what people they die, yo. You don't want that one now.
Now what would you talk be this? Now that violence who would you talk now be this? Where you go focus your mind on how to get your... See, you need to understand something. Chioma is a very beautiful girl. Any man will see her must want to talk to her. The man must want to get him. She's very beautiful, bro. But the main thing where you go do now for you to figure out how you want to go make peace with your woman.
See you. What do you suggest I do?
It is simple. Now your babe, you know her soft spot. You know what they make her happy. That girl just wants you to show her that you really love her. Make step, go meet her, make peace. Everything will end.
If my fears are true,
I can bet my money that your fears are false. You see that girl? Na better girl.
Sexy man.
Hey, one, my name is not sexy man or sweet man. 2, avoid me. 3, avoid me. 4, avoid me. 5, I don't know you and I don't want to know you. If you fail to keep any of this order, if you fully will.
What is wrong with you, Seth? Can you name this guy? Eh? It is even better off like this. Hope he's not going to his house. Eh? Ha. Oh, what? is wrong with you?
I don't know, I'm just feeling weak and dizzy.
You're all weak and dizzy. And you're throwing up. Chioma, don't tell me you're pregnant.
Ha, Mama, how can I be pregnant? I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
This is abo with a difference. Mama, eh? Listen, you will go for a test. Mba, you get a test. Let us know if you're actually pregnant or not.
No problems.
Mama, it's okay. You don't have to start feeling this way. I know my sister. She's not like that, though.
So how is she like? How is it like? Eh?
Mama, there's no problem. There's nothing to worry about. I'm not pregnant. I will go and do the test. And when you are back from the farm, I'll show you.
Okay.
I'm not pregnant.
Kanjabe farm. Anya nchabomo. Omo Jesus Christ. God. Omo Jesus Christ.
Mako, the letter.
Omo Jesus Christ.
Just little stress.
Should I go?
No, there's no problem. Let me just go and do the test and come back. Go to the shop. I'll come and meet you. It all started yesterday when I woke up. Feeling weak, dizzy and sick. That was when you came in. So it wasn't like I went to be with him.
Chioma, I have not been there for you all this while. I've treated you badly. But please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all I did. Please. I missed you, my sunshine.
No day that passes by that I didn't think of you. I love you, David. Oh, please don't break me again.
I promise. I won't.
Okay, I think I want to break the news of the results of my test. And it came out positive. We're having a baby.
Babylon, eh? I can't begin to thank you. You just entered into the farm, carried me straight to the healer.
Thank God for him. Oh. Huh? What would we have done?
Exactly, my sister. I have to thank him very well for being at the right place at the right time.
Exactly. I will also go and thank him in his house, even though I didn't meet him at the healer's place. For once, he has proven to be responsible.
God will bless him. Mama. Mama, it's okay. You'll be well.
Sorry,
Okay, Otto ran me at home. Yoko. And I'm not going to go.
Anybody home? Anybody home? Babylon, are you home?
Huh? Asa, is that you?
Yes.
I'm coming, please hold on.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, Asa. Eh? Hey. You're welcome to my humble home. Eh?
Thank you.
Please come.
Don't worry. I'm fine here. I am short of words, but I came to thank you for what you did for my mother. God will bless you for me.
Asa. Did you Google down my name where? Tiponti is worldwide. Eh? Worldwide, general. Eh? I was just opportune to be around the neighborhood when it happened.
And you chose to help her. Your choice saved my mother's life, and I really appreciate it.
Asa, I believe at least it will change your perception about me a little. I guessed.
Perception. Okay, yes, you're now a responsible man.
Wow. Please forgive my manners, my beauty. What can I offer you?
No, I'm fine. I just came to thank you.
No, baby, you cannot say no to my offer now. This is the first time you're coming to my house, my honorable house. Come on, if you don't use water, let me, no matter how little it is, I appreciate it. Come say I don't get fella. Let me wash the plane and clean it.
Okay, no problem. Water will not have. Water is fine.
Come.
Yeah, I'll come in after you.
Come, eh?
No! Stop it! I don't like this thing! Stop it! I just want to help me!
I will kill you, Bastardo. I will kill you. Wait, I'll come. Wait. You. I will kill you. I will kill you. Idiot. Where are you? Deba.
Babylon, I am here to collect my balance. Why did you tell me you want to rape her? Why didn't you tell me rape was involved? Give me my balance, so if you don't give my balance, this heaven will fall down today.
As make thunder scatter your life. You see thunder with the Adegule, they do press away west, skate and blast. Make it blast out your head. May you go tell your boxer. May your pint here. May your hand of your Brazil loss. You dey craze? I'm gonna kill you. Just come on walk what I give you to distract David. Make I forget my way to chioma. Make I quash him. You could not do it. Now you won't balance.
See who is talking?
If I slap you!
Were you not the one that fed your own plans? Eh? Babylon, is it that you give me my money or this your clothes? Eh? I'll go tear out for here for you. Rubbish! If you like maybe Babylon, if you like maybe what's it called? Give me my pay my money, give me. I want to leave this village now.
You Google my name. You Google my name.
Who cares?
You Google my name. Tiponti worldwide. Tiponti worldwide. Tiponti worldwide. If I sound you, you don't get respect. You want me to scatter your pints? You hand up go lost, Nabi. Okay, make a case for you now.
Babylon, give me my balance, so I don't know what you talk. You look for my balance and give me. What kind of rubbish is this? Give me my balance.
Wait, come start again for the guitar. Come start again for the. Wait, come start again for the. Wait, shit.
What?
Babylon! You wrong?
Kill you.
Mugu, idiot. If I come back, come start again for the. Tag you off, man. Do work, you don't fit do work. You won't collect balance. Mugu, idiot. Come punish your life. Make your pints here there. get luck. I for asking for you now, Mugu. Thunder fire you. Inside, girl, fella. With the child.
Hey! David! David, one, Mama, David! Hey! David, puta, come outside. Hey, address me as a millionaire. Oh. You remember the game I told you I was going to play? I have been paid 52 million naira. Cash! Hey!
You serious, Oga? Stop joking.
Eh? As I'm talking to you, it is cooling in my account. 52 million naira. See, I don't deal with poor men. Go inside and pack your bag and let's leave this village. I don't have time to waste. Hey!
52
million!
52
million!
See, we go buy land, buy 2 cars.
Can you go and pack your bags? Because I go to village just a mem naro.
Hey! 52 million.
Hey! Hey! Chibo! Chukwekede. David, what is keeping you now? Hey!
Thank you, Lord.
I am.
See. Eh? I don't check everything within this house. No need. With 52 million naira, I can buy new clothes and bags.
Hey, Zoku, let's go.
Hey, my sunshine, we cannot just leave her.
Hey,
Choma. To her house, eh?
Choma, 52 million. Choma.
Yeah, Jessica baby. Yes, you know, I don't need any introduction again. As you already know my name. My name is Spark. The spark that sparks the whole village. The spark that sparks the whole country. So let me tell you, I want to bring you up, as in I want to help your life. Like I want to bring up your standard. Do you understand me? Like, see, let me tell you, I like you. So my dear, I want to bring your level up. Like, as your sister have married now, and I'm sure that you wouldn't want in a situation whereby when you be passing, no man will be singing, "When will you marry?" No, cut it, you know. See, let me tell you, you are beautiful. See, let me tell you, I want to end that question now. I want to end that song. I want to end it right here, now. How much is your bride price? Let me pay it. How much? It's not up to the watch I wear here. Cut it. This is almost gold. Do you understand? What are you selling here? Look at. See what you're selling. Look at your shop. No, this is not shop. This is not what you call shop. This is suffer. You're suffering. You're suffocating here. No fun. Nothing. So I know that you're not up to my standard. You understand? Not up to my standard, but I will bring you up. You'll be at least to this level. Not that you'll be with my level. No, to this level. I'll bring you to this level. Just go and pack up. Lock this thing, dash it out. Even if it means to give it to somebody, give somebody this shop. I don't want you to be suffering. I want to build a better future for you. I want to build plaza for you. So that you won't be suffering. You'll be going to the shop with car. You'll be going with car, with full of AC. Do you understand? Just go inside and park. Go. Go so that you can talk better. Yes, I like you. You're beautiful. I like what I'm saying. This is good. No, I guess today is not a good day. Now I'm gonna come back. Do you understand? I will never give up. I won't give up. I will not give up.
Onyala, you would have stayed back. You would have stayed back and wouldn't my beggy. Bury with your tiny waist. Your burnt hair. You should want you want to come and marry Jacinta. You should want to say. You should want to say. Onyala. Even if I'm in a hurry or I am desperate to get married. Onyala, they can give with your borrowed shoe and your tiny waist. If you hear nothing, wow, can blast. Chai, Jacinta itala sure coco. But it's well. It is well.
The wife of my youth.
My love.
What's up?
Fine. Hope you enjoyed your dinner.
You are the best cook in the world.
I'm glad you like it.
Isika. I enjoyed it.
I can't like it.
Baby, I have a surprise for you tomorrow.
Surprise for me. But why wait till tomorrow?
Because tomorrow is tomorrow.
No, please. You know I don't like waiting long for surprises. Just...
Tomorrow. But before then, let me give you one.
No. Okay, don't tell me the surprise first.
Before tomorrow, let me give you one.
Just tell me the surprise. I can't wait to.
The surprise is tomorrow. But before tomorrow, let me give you
Tell me
one.
the You have to tell me. Okay, we're not there yet.
Woo!
Stop joking, yeah.
Joke, okay?
What kind of joke?
Are we doing here now?
No.
Check it out.
No.
Are we doing here now?
It's a lie. Stop, don't joke with me. I will not.
Today na April Fool. Real life matter.
Nobody's joking with you. Check out the car, man.
And I know you love red.
Yes, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Let me be sure it's fucking hell.
Do you know how to drive?
I will not move. Let me just sit inside.
Easy, yo.
He's walking. It's real.
No. Congrats, brother. I told you to like it.
I know.
Red is a color. Red is a color. It's red and black. Come here.
Thank you.
Yeah. We thank God for everything. More to come.
Oh God, why is this number not connecting? Just look at the time. What is he still doing outside? He didn't even tell me. At least leave a message, you will come home late or something. You would just leave a pregnant woman like that? This number is not even connecting. What's all this? This is very painful. It's not fair. It's painful. Start now. They will say I've started. This is painful. It's not fair at all.
Hey, baby. The wife of my youth. Please, I'm so sorry, okay? Something came up. I was trying to fix one or two.
Spare me all these explanations.
I said, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to keep you. I was trying to fix things for our own good. Please.
I hope you know you're not talking to me. You're not talking to me.
The wife of my youth. Why didn't you prepare breakfast for me?
I don't even understand how I'm feeling. I'm kind of weak. I'm tired. I'm feeling funny.
Okay, don't worry. I will eat when I come back, eh?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Mama.
No.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. No. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I see you brought her back.
Yes.
That was fun.
Mama.
I can't just wait.
Go Akaria.
How is my daughter? And her husband, your very good friend.
They are doing fine, Mama.
That is good to hear.
Mama. Thank him for me. Mama, he took me to the market, waited for me, and he even bought more than we budgeted for in the market.
I can see +1. Now they came one over in my pocket. May God replenish your own pocket and my own too.
My pleasure, Mama.
No problem.
My pleasure.
You stay around now. I just got fresh okra.
Yes.
From
Mama.
the garden. Let me cook it.
Mama will come back much later.
You will?
I just came to drop her. Let me run along.
You know you're a fine man. Hey, you will be a handsome young man.
Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Say him to the car. Let me take one of these things.
Hello, welcome.
I'm hungry.
I thought you would buy something to eat on your way back. I didn't cook anything.
You didn't cook. Why? No, why won't you cook? Knowing fully well I left this house without eating this morning. And you know how much I hate eating out. So why didn't you cook?
Maybe it wasn't intentional. I'm really tired. I've been feeling weak. Please bear with me. I didn't do it intentional. My love, please buy us dinner on your way back. Thank you.
Ma, thank you, paper. Thank you. Wow. Okay, we're going to mecha. That was so. That's also.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, okay, you. My eyes saw something. It seems like also is suddenly developing an interest in you.
Mama. He has always been nice to me.
Oh,
yes.
About the fata. It didn't start today, it's been happening.
Yes, Mama.
Eh? That is good, Omaka. But you know, also is a good man. But I want you to remember something. Obuko Eba. Eba find it for a bob way. So be very careful. I trust you, be careful.
Mama. You can always be rest assured. I won't change who I am for anything.
Okay, Mama.
I can't let my pride down. You have always taught us the way of decency and being responsible. I have chosen that path.
Stick to it. Oh, yeah, Yaka.
Thank you, Mama.
Because men are what? Dangerous. They all have their guns. Two, if we allow them. What way?
Mama, take more. I've heard you. Hope I'm safe.
Sure. You are very safe, especially with me. Can I tell you how I feel about you?
It's a free word. I'm all ears.
You know, you are one unique, smart, intelligent, and a hard-working young lady. For me, these are the qualities that stand out. So tell me, would you give me the pleasure to be your man, to love you, and to cherish you?
You have to give me some time to think about it.
Jacinta, my feelings for you are well intended. I know that you're a very responsible girl, and I promise to keep it that way.
Also, you have been good to my sister and her husband. Just give me some time to think through it.
Agreed.
Thank you.
So, how much time do you want? 2 hours? I'm here.
Sis, he has accepted to give me some time. Same here. It was awkward at first. Sis, Mama started suspecting from day one. I just hope she remains cool. You are right, my sister. Don't worry. Once I accept, you will be the first to know. Well, everything is moving fine. Are you guys coming back anytime soon? Okay, sis. I have to go now. Oh, take care of yourself.
Hello,
Bye.
who is here?
Sis, bye. Let me attend to customer. Bye.
You have chilled Fanta?
Yes, so we have. Hold on, I'm coming.
I will be leaving for the city tomorrow.
I thought you would stay till the weekend.
Yeah, I wish I can, but I didn't plan it. What's up with what we discussed?
Awesome. I like you as a person, and I believe we'll work out something. I need to speak to my mother about you to know what she thinks. I'm very attached to her.
So, do I take that as a yes?
If you think so, then that is what it is.
Okay, see, I promise you that you won't be disappointed, okay? I know that you are very close to your mother. I mean, I was very close to my father when he was alive too, so I understand.
Thank you for always understanding.
Yeah, Chioma. Chioma. What is the meaning of this? Don't baby me. What is the meaning of this? Huh? Have you suddenly forgotten your duty as a wife in this house? What is the meaning of this?
Can't you just understand your wife is with a child and help her out?
So because you are with a child, everywhere should be dirty. Ibu Ejima 12. Are you the first person to be pregnant? Answer me now, because you are pregnant, everywhere should be dirty. Listen, you're provoking me in this house. So. You are provoking me, and one day you will see what you are looking for. What's all this now?
I am provoking you.
Yes! In a person way.
Okay. Come and beat me. Beat me if I don't look for something and break your head.
Hi. You will break my head. You will break my head. In my house, you will... Okay. Keep provoking me. One day, that is, I would squeeze mouth of Ugeba. Very annoying.
As if you're not the one that is always provoking me first. Now you want to turn it around. Come on, please. You cannot help your pregnant wife.
So, Mama, he proposed a decent relationship to me. So I asked him to think about it and also inform you.
Hey, that's a good one. You know, I told you that he's a good person. Eh? So what do you? Let's wait and see now. Don't them.
Oh, Mama, thank you. I promise I won't let you down.
I trust you. Always remember where you're coming from, where you're headed to, and what you want out of life. What if any of
Yes, Mama.
Be focused. Oh?
Thank you, Mama. I love you so much.
Yeah, come here. I love you more. On them. I love you more.
important. Even before we got married, this is important.
Are you now blind? I thought you're only pregnant. Are you also blind? Yeah?
I'm sorry.
Refusing to speak is what kills an elder. Refusing to listen is what kills a teenager. You will go there and see these children before they kill themselves. What kind of love is this?
I don't know what is going on. I've never seen this kind of love.
You will go there first thing tomorrow morning. They must learn how to cohabit. If they can't cohabit, then they will go their separate ways and return the bride price. It's as simple as that.
Oh, well, I've heard you.
Good. If you go there, I want to speak to David myself. Put him on the phone. Let me hear his voice.
I wanted to come to the city to visit you people. My name is oh, we can't call where the California Amapia. It will land on my head. And I cannot bear that kind of blow. Eh? Look at you. Every day, fight, fight, fight. I've told you people, separate now since you can't live together. Mba. I'm going to live in peace. Mba. What have I done to deserve this kind of grief? What have I done to deserve this? Oh, Kifela Chasiami. Eh?
Mama, it's all my fault. I'm sorry. I promise it will never happen again.
Aha! That is all I hear all the time. It will never happen again. It will never happen again. Yet it keeps happening. It will never happen again. Can you be Fenka? Look at this grandchild I've been looking forward to. Eh? My intention was to take the child away from both of you. Because if you are to bring up a child, well, now you've deprived me of my grandchild. It will not happen again.
No, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Forgive you. Forgive you. Abumchuku. Am I the one that created the child? Not me. But the way I see both of you and the rate at which you people fight, eh? You will keep fighting until you die. Even when they bury both of you side by side, your spirit will still get up and torment everyone around them. Makana spirit nonsense. It won't happen again. Oh yes. It won't happen again, oh. It won't happen again. Yet it keeps happening.
I am really worried about them. This thing seems to be repeating itself all the time.
It's not good for their mental health. I do not know how else they can see it, but it's dangerous.
My love, you have to talk to your friend most importantly. He is the head of the house.
Obim, you do not know how many times we have been through this line of talk. But he keeps failing to hold his anger. Their star sign is Leo. They are mostly short-tempered and their rage is in a range. Obim, you don't know how I had to drag him down to this village because of this meeting.
My love, we really need to help them out. Seriously. I have to talk to my sister the best way I can. Please, my love, do send for me.
You do not have to plead. It's a duty we owe them both. I will continue to try my best, okay?
Thank you. I miss you.
And I missed you more.
Bestie, I've grown to know how strong you are. You are not just my sister, you are my best friend. Please, I want you to shake off this grief and start all over again.
Your words are soothing. Thank you for giving me strength.
You're welcome, my sister. I'll always be here for you. And please, don't let anything bother you again.
I have heard you.
Good.
So, how are you going on with Ozo?
Ozo. Well, sis, I have plenty gist for you. Yes, but I will tell you later, not now. Well, we are doing well, and he promised to talk to David.
So you guys are now discussing my family behind me, Abby?
Oh no, sis. No, not at all. It's for the best.
Okay. Thank you, Heart. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Well, I am back. Good. My visit to the city was a success. They agreed to reconcile and they promised that they will not commit those atrocities anymore.
Really?
Yes. They have reconciled.
Oh, our wife. Your journey is fruitful.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. By the way, Nani, well, there's good news on the other hand. Somebody is coming to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. I just felt I should inform you first before they'll come formally to tell the family members.
Oh, good. It's a good news. May this family continue to be favored.
Amen. Amen.
Do I know this lucky man? Is he from this village?
Of course you know him. You know Letume, his son, Ozemena. That's the person we are talking about.
Ume of the blessed memory has an only son.
Yes, that's the same person.
May this our family never be mocked. Our wife, this journey will not work.
Why? Why do you say that? Is there a problem?
We cannot marry from that family because of our traditional status as the Amades. They are an Umes. I believe you understand what that means. Start early and explain things to Jacinta. before it gets out of hand. Our family must not be mocked. Hey! Good thing you mentioned this now. Ume? Bye.
Hi.
Thank you for giving me this special treat today.
Oh,
You're
come
the
on.
best.
The pleasure is all mine, and I will do it over and over again.
You're so charming.
Why are you making me blush? You are the beautiful one here.
Wow.
It's not good. Is Mama around? I would love to say hello to her before leaving.
That's so thoughtful of you, but I doubt if she's around. Everywhere is quiet.
Okay.
Maybe you see her some other time. Oh?
It's all good. So, see you soon. Be a good girl.
Thank you. Take care.
And you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Mama! Yes, ma'am. Emma, let me help you.
Sit down, sit down.
Mama, what is it? What is it? Why is your face like this?
There's something
Mama, you're scaring me.
No,
What
don't
is
be
it?
scared. There's something I want to discuss with you. It's about my sister.
Okay. Mama, you are scaring me. Is something wrong with my sister?
No. It has nothing to do with your sister. It has to do with you.
With me?
Yes, with your relationship with them. Also.
Okay. So what about it?
Your uncle. You remember your uncle? He was here earlier today, and he told me that that Ozo's family, they are the umes in the society, and that they cannot marry freeborns like us. So you have to end the relationship.
Mama, wait. I don't understand. What does that mean?
It means that it means that you cut the relationship with Ozo. You have to let him go.
How? Mama, I can't just fall in and out of love just like that. This is my emotions we are talking about here.
Oh, I understand. I understand, but I am going to make for your emotions. We can't say because of your emotions we put the whole family in danger. You need to control and forget about your emotions for now.
What do you mean by danger? This is someone who eats with us, buy things for us, yet we're not supposed to have something to do with him. How does that add up? Mama?
Oh, tradition. Yes, you maybe you wait. When your uncle comes, he will explain better to you. But I promise you one thing. There is nothing Absolutely nothing that anyone can do about it. It's your mom. Because you'll have to call also. Call Cholon also. Emotions,
Mama? Wait, Mom, you're joking, right?
No, I'm not.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking.
You're serious?
Very serious.
Hey!
Hey!
Are you aware of it?
Yes, I am.
This is so traumatic for me. Why is my happiness being threatened because of the deeds of the past?
Calm down, my love. Calm down. This is 21st century. This is actually one part of Igbo tradition that the government has made legislative pronouncement against. I will try to explain to your mom and your uncle. Don't give up on me yet.
Oh my love, I'll never give up on you. But this is so hard.
I know, but do not panic. God will fight our battle for us.
Amen. Thank you for giving me hope and enough courage.
Stay strong always, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
More than words can say. You are my life, baby.
My son, it will not start from my family. The tradition of this community is sacred. It didn't just start now. It has been there from generation to generation. That is why children of nowadays are always advised to be careful with the choice they make in terms of marriage. Because if they make the wrong choice, it becomes a vicious circle. So we as a family, we love you. So it's not something personal.
Nine. Thank you for your words of wisdom. As a father, I plead with you that you give love a chance. You see, I am totally in love with Jacinta, and I do not know how to make it. See, there are state legislations abolishing this system from our communities. Please, I beg you, Nai, let us shed off some of these obnoxious traditions and give love a chance to thrive. I beg you, please.
Uncle, please, Uncle. We have gone far to turn back now. I beg you, please.
My children, I know that if I explain further in details, it will not make sense to you. But I want you to know that there are some certain traditions in our community that is deeper than state legislations. Obiageli, you have to start talking to your daughter. Young man, you've heard from this family. As a matter of fact, this meeting is over.
Mama, this is a new generation, Mama? At some point, times are bound to change, even traditions.
If I this is reality. This is our tradition. Listen, I understand perfectly how you feel. I know what your emotions are going through right now. But I am your mother. I would never lie to you. Okay, for situation, there's nothing anyone can do about it. If your father were to be alive, he won't even listen to us. He won't even argue. He will put his foot down. That's it.
Mama, I can't just stop loving a man who has been so good to me. Who has also been a source of blessing to this family as well. Hey, Mama, it's hard. Because...
Mama, is your okay? Hard, yes, but not impossible.
Please, for the love you have for me, talk to Uncle Udemezue. Mama, please, make him to understand. Mama, I am ready to bear whatever consequences that it comes with. Mama, you have taught me the way of God. What will God do in this situation? Would he uphold a man-made tradition that discriminates amongst themselves? Mother, you have trained me in the way of Christ and not in the ways of men. Mama, you want to talk to Uncle.
Nani, where a child is crying and pointing at, it's either her father is there or her mother. What I'm about to tell you will upset you. Mana Nani, you need to help me. These children have made up their mind to get married. Yes, and I don't know what to do. So I decided to invite you to ask if there's any way you can help me with this situation. Help me go past this situation, Maka. Is there any way we can help?
Listen to me. An elder does not stay at home and watch the goat deliver in teethers. Tradition is tradition. I did not make them. What you are asking for is too much. Since the history of this family, I have never experienced what you are asking for. So why are you forcing me to commit an unpardonable sacrilege?
Biko, forgive me. I'm sorry. I would never offend you again.
You are going to offend me again next time you involve me in a case like this. What is it? I am a man of tradition, a cabinet member of Igwe in council. It is my sole responsibility to uphold the good name of this family and not to tear it down. If you think you want to give out your daughter in marriage, do it at your will and don't involve me. Ipo mafa Udemezue muna yenwe problem. Kifi yefe yeme.
Udemezue nani eweniwe. Nani can join. Nani.
Asi na okwado adra bofia. Ifu na oku na gbe ogu sisa na pe kagam.
Ogini be kagam.
My love, this is not time for us to be angry. We have to support our strong way with a reasonable action. I have decided to make a bold move by going to see the Igwe.
And do you think that will work for us or against us?
Frankly, I do not know. Our neighboring village here has abolished this same system 3 years ago. Why can't we use the same energy in our own community? In this age and time, people still discriminate against their brothers and sisters. It is not a good one.
Ah, God. I just hope this yields the news that will suit my soul.
Let God's will be done.
Amen.
If you are with me on this, then let's do it. Our destiny is in our hands. What we seek is our happiness. God will not forsake us.
Isn't that elopement?
Whatever it's called, let us get married in the court. See, when I told my mother about this, she discouraged me from coming. I have gone to see the Igwe twice, but I couldn't see him because he was in a deliberation. Baby, I can't lose you. Please do not give up on me.
Oh, my love, I will never give up on you. But the idea of elopement will break my mother's heart.
So what then can we do? We have been praying and hoping. What other options do we have?
Mama, please, Jacinta is going through a lot right now. My friend went through all this before. I told you about it. Now they are living well and healthy. Mama, time has changed. Yes, he is right. I saw it on television. It's only a discrimination, Mama. Uncle Demezo fixed another meeting. Okay, no problem. If my husband comes back early, I would tell him maybe he would come for the meeting. Yes, Mama. Thank you, and you too, Mama.
I advised Ozo to do things his own way, so that no old man will frustrate him with some obnoxious traditions.
Baby boy, you know that will break my mother's heart.
But that's the only choice we have. Yes. Your uncle Udemezo is too serious with these tradition things. Are you getting me? Let him slow down. He should learn to be reasonable. After all, it's a new generation.
He's just being his age and position.
At the expense of a young man's happiness. Huh? At the expense of a young man's happiness.
Is it just me, or is there something about my uncle Udemezo you don't like? You're beginning to sound like a broken record.
Did you just insult me because of that man? Me, sounding like a broken record. Because of that man.
And you respect him. We are not discussing anything that requires you to disrespect him.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you one bit. Why won't you defend him? After all, he's on the same category with your useless father. The Kai Kai.
Coming from an orphan, I am not surprised.
Excuse me? Did you just call me an orphan?
You had me the first time.
Me, are you mad? Are you mad? How dare you? Eh? Me an orphan? Sit there. Listen, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Uncle, welcome.
Welcome. Like I informed you earlier, Igwe invited me because of this issue. They said someone wrote a petition to the state government. Since that time, the Igwe in council and the delegation from the governor have been having meetings. So the outcome of the meeting will be announced tomorrow. But be that as it may, the practice of Osu Ume system in Umodu will be lifted tomorrow.
Hey! Yes! Yes! This is good news.
Oh God!
Jesus, thank you.
Thank you, Lord. You never fail me. Thank you, Jesus.
Adam mother.
Hey, Mama.
Mama buam naka.
Mama buam naka. God.
Adam man, you will answer me, sis.
God, you have answered me when all hope was lost.
Yes.
May your name forever be praised.
Amen. Oh, touch up. Why you know?
Mama Toma is calling me.
Ah, it's as if she knows what is going on now. Give her the good news. Zazaza.
Hello, sis.
Chichi.
How are you?
What? What?
Holding on to anger is like drinking poison. Where does your anger come from? Do you embrace it? How do you react when these emotions arise? Do you choose clarity over rage? It is impossible to feel anger without love. But the consequences of not mastering this emotion is a danger to love.